I've always said that content is the bread and butter of your online business. And I will also say that repurposing content is like also your bread and butter of your online business, because repurposing good content into other mediums is so vital to growing your online business. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how the Creator Studio inside Kajabi can help you do just that. So in your Kajabi dashboard, you're going to go over here on the left over to Creator Studio, click on that, and it's going to bring up Creator Studio, marketing content in minutes with Creator Studio. Repurpose any video into clips, transcripts, emails, blogs, social posts, and more in just a few clicks. We're gonna get all into it. My name is Lane. This is your first 30 days on Kajabi, a series that I'm doing helping you get the best possible start on the platform, hit the ground running, start making money right away. This is day 15. By the way, if you're not on Kajabi, but you're considering jumping onto it, you might as well use my link to do it. You get a 30-day free trial over at lanesebring.com/Kajabi. So during those first 30 days, you can just go through each one of these videos and see exactly what to do in your first 30 days on the platform. Also, you get my 3 exclusive bonuses: the Kajabi Accelerator course, which will help you get all the right settings set up, hit the ground running, making money right away. And you get the top 3 mistakes that new Kajabi users make, my exclusive masterclass, and you get the 25K course launch email template. All of that is yours for free, just for using my link, because it's an affiliate link. So I get a commission when you use it, but at no additional cost to you. lanesebring.com/Kajabi. So let's take a look. Marketing content in minutes. Save time, sell more. Unlock 40 plus types of marketing content, plus transcripts and subtitles, all within Kajabi. I love that it's kept inside the platform. Share worthy clips for social media. Reuse the best moments from a course, lesson, coaching call, or webinar in just a few clicks. Share directly to social media. Grow and convert your audience. Turn leads into customers with an engaging marketing funnel based on existing videos. Love it. So let's dive in and create our first project. Creator Studio works best for taking videos without background music. Select a video longer than 1 minute. So you can upload from your device, cloud storage, or a video link. So you can upload the video, or you can select a course video, coaching, or recording. So you can upload the video here, and then you go down here and select what you want to create. So do you want to create a video clip? Do you want to create a video title, video description? In terms of transcripts and subtitles, you can have the transcript made, the subtitles in an SRT, the subtitles in a VTT. And then here's where it gets fun: social media text post. So again, remember, this all starts from a video, the original source file, and then you get to redistribute it to Facebook as a post, YouTube description, a TikTok caption, a LinkedIn post, Instagram caption, hashtags, YouTube video title, or an X post. And then email, right? So you can take that video and make a course email or a coaching call summary email. This is really cool. So let's say that you do a coaching session. We've talked a little bit about coaching throughout this. It's one of the best ways to get a product up and making money is just do one-on-one coaching. So let's say that you have a coaching session with a client. You can take that session, put it into Creator Studio, click that button, and it will give you the coaching call summary email. So then you can send to your client, here's what we covered, here's the takeaways and actions. That's pretty awesome. Course discount email, coaching call follow-up email, last chance to sign up. Pretty awesome. Okay, blog, you can take the video and turn it into a how-to blog, a listicle blog, or a Q&A blog. That's amazing. Community. We're going to talk about community here in a few days, but you can do a new course announcement post, course discount announcement post, a webinar summary. That's pretty awesome. So let's just say that you do a webinar and you want to write a summary of it. You don't even have to write it. You just put it in there and it will do it for you. Short summary of the video, course outline, website text, sales page text, lead generation page text. There's so many things that you can do within Creator Studio. As we're going to go through the next few days here on your first 15 days, we're going to be looking at how to create products and which products to create. And specifically, we're going to kind of hone in on two types of products: courses and communities. As we're doing this, your content plan is a part of all of what we're doing. And so we've talked about making original content. Creator Studio is going to help you repurpose that original content into all kinds of different ways of sharing it with your email list and on social media. So dive into Creator Studio, experiment with it, and see how you can create a rhythm and a system of repurposing your content. If you want, by the way, help with your entire strategy of how to build an online business, how content and social media play a role in it, and how you can make your first $1,000 a month consistently, go over and attend my free workshop on demand right now over at lanesebring.com/workshop. That's the Turn What You Know into Dough workshop, where I will show you all of the way these pieces fit together and help you make that first $1,000 a month consistently. lanesebring.com/workshop. I'll see you tomorrow for day 16.